Hello there. Today we will be setting up Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 Express Edition. First, we need to go to Microsoft's website to download this. To do this, go to your URL bar and type in bit.ly/visual-cpp-express. This will bring you to Microsoft's website with Visual Studio 2010 Express Edition. To download it, click Install Now. It'll prompt you to install Visual Studio 11 Beta. Let's just install Visual Studio 2010 Express. It'll begin the download. Let's open the download and let's give it admin privileges. And it will open up an installer to download the rest of Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Express Edition for C++. Let's just wait for setup to open, and it'll just take a minute or two. Okay, now that setup has opened, we can choose to either send our information to Microsoft or not to. For now, let's just uncheck this box. Next, you'll be presented with the license terms. I recommend reading through this, but since this is just a short video, we don't have time to. Let's click I have read and accepted the license terms, and let's click Next. You can select your install folder, and it will tell you what will be installed and downloaded. It will tell you how much space you have left. For now, I'll be installing on my G drive, which has 477 megabytes of free space left, and the total download size will be 68 megabytes. Let's click Install to start downloading it. It will begin the download process. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. Now that it has finished downloading, the installation will commence. Let's wait for it to finish installing. Okay, now that Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 Express Edition has finished installing, we can exit the setup. Now, to open it, we can click on our Start menu button, and it should show up as one of the programs here. If it does not, as you can see in my case, we can go to All Programs, scroll down to Microsoft, go to Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Express, click on the application or the executable. It'll launch, and we will be presented with the start page of Microsoft Visual C++ 2000 Express Edition.